At times. It has indeed been an interesting year of an array of events for all of us connected to the college. Now, we request our principal and executive director, Dr. V. Gopi, to present the annual report.
Good evening. The annual report for the year 2016-17. Put your mind and soul in the even your smallest acts. This is the secret of success. Most respected Chairman Dr. S.A. Joyraja, distinguished guest, and our beloved Mrs. Sophia Raja Madam, Mrs. Gino Joy Madam, other dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, committed staff members, dear parents, and my dear students. A warm good evening to you all. It's a great honor on my part to be here with you all to document RIT's development and achievements for the academic year 2016-17. With the inception in the year 2009, RIT has grown tremendously, holding a prime place among all engineering colleges in southern part of Tamil Nadu. RIT for Women was envisioned by our chairman Dr. S.A. Joyraja to create quality education with an excellent learning environment. I feel proud to head the noble venture of transforming this institution into quality technical education center, imparting updated technical knowledge with character building. When we turn the pages of the past academic year, 2017 was a year filled with vibrant activities and events. With the state-of-art facilities provided, our dedicated and well-qualified staff worked towards the vision of giving the society quality women engineers. We also expertise our students through various extracurricular activities, personality development programs, sports activities, in-house placements, and project training. Our UG and PG students fared well in the semester examination and produced good results during the academic year 2016 and 17. New buildings are under construction. Our academic activities, learning is a continuous and never-ending process irrespective of the age and creed. And this is well understood and flowered by our RIT community. To improve the skills of our students, we encourage them to participate in various activities. We are proud to announce that we are one of the authorized center of our Cambridge courses, for the Cambridge courses. More than 150 of our students have registered for Cambridge English certificate course. Our faculty achievements, to enhance the teaching skills and understanding with the students, a faculty development program on brainology was conducted by Dr. Janani from Chennai on 28/10/2017. The never-ending ambition has motivated our staff members, Mrs. Jabarani, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, and Ms. Ashmi, Assistant Professor of Computer Science Engineering, to register for their higher studies. Mrs. G. Mary Binisha, Head of Civil, delivered a guest lecture on concrete made with industrial waste at Rajas Engineering College, Vadakankulam. Mrs. Anand K. Jennifer, Head of CSC, delivered a guest lecture on underwater acoustic sensor network at Rajas Engineering College, Vadakankulam. Mrs. T. Menaka, Head of Fashion Technology, presented a paper on productivity issues in an international conference on 10/11/2017 at Sardar Vallabhai Patel Institute of Technology, Pilamedo, Coimbatore. Mrs. R. Binisha, Head of EEE, and B. Ajit Selvam, Assistant Professor of EEE, attended a faculty development program on circuit theory from 11/12/2017 to 15/12/2017 at one of our neighboring engineering college. Ms. R.S. Ashmi and Ms. Sheba J. attended a workshop in Python held at one of our neighboring engineering colleges. Our student activities. To nurture the inner talents and help them secure good position in the competitive world, we encourage our students to participate in both intra and inter-college competitions. The students were given regular training from beginning to the end of the course in several areas. Apart from the regular academic activities, the students are encouraged to participate in technical fests, technical talk competition, paper presentation, governed technical aptitude test, technical essay competition, and short film contest to promote talent, communication, creativity, and confidence. Our students organized a national level technical symposium on 5th of August 2017. It is happy to inform that the response for the above symposium was very fruitful, productive with good number of quality paper presentations, multimedia presentations, technical quiz, and other departmental events. The students excelled in the paper presentation at various national level competitions and honored us with several prizes. 41 of our final year students of all the departments attended the national conferences. 12 of our final year students from all the departments participated in international conferences at various colleges in and outside our district. 5 of our electrical engineering students participated in a national level technical symposium held at various institutes. 9 of our fashion technology students won second prize in fashion show held at Angel College of Engineering and Technology, Tirupur. Our final year students also won first and second prize in face painting and first prize in modeling. Coming to sports, it is a great honor to mention the participation and achievement of our students in the field of sports. Our basketball team won second prize in basketball in the Anna University zonal match of Zone 19 on 21/8/2017. Our volleyball team bagged third prize in the Anna University zonal match of Zone 19 held on 21/8/2017. 5 of our students of various departments won third prize in chess competition at Anna University zonal match of Zone 19 on 18/9/2017. Yes, Banisha and Priyanka won third prize in marathon at Anna University Zone 19 on 3/10/2017. Yes, Shamila won first prize in 100 meters hurdles, second prize in heptathlon at Anna University Zone 19 on 3/10/2017, and silver medal in 100 meters dash at Kanyakumari District Athletic Association Championship 2017 held at Anna Stadium, Nagarkoil. Our student Rillinsay won second prize in heptathlon at Anna University zonal match of Zone 19 on 3/10/2017. Vincelet Mary R won gold medal in discus and javelin throw at Kanyakumari District Athletic Association Championship on 26/9/2017 held at Anna Stadium, Nagarkoil. She also won the first prize in javelin throw and second prize in discus throw at Dr. MGR Centenary celebrations at Anna Stadium on 2017. V. Sharmila won silver medal in 1500 meters dash at Kanyakumari District Athletic Association Championship on 26/9/2017 held at Anna Stadium at Nagarkoil. M. Venisha won bronze medal in 100 and 1500 meters dash at Kanyakumari District Athletic Association Championship 2017 held at Anna Stadium, Nagarkoil. N. Saraswati won bronze medal in 800 meters dash at Kanyakumari District Athletic Association Championship 2017 held at Anna Stadium, Nagarkoil. 13 students of various departments won a cash prize for securing first prize in Kho during the centenary celebrations of Dr. M.G. Ramachandran at Anna Stadium on 4/10/2017. Mary Silpa Plato won first prize in javelin throw during the centenary celebrations of Dr. M.G. Ramachandran at Anna Stadium on 5/10/2017. Placement. The ultimate aim of our institute is 100% placement. To achieve this, we are offering placement training internally by our staff members and externally by various resource persons. It was a 15-day program on time management, goal setting, motivation, and positive thinking. As a result, the students can actively participate in on and off campus recruitments. 8 of our students participated in an off-campus interview and avoided. Our final and pre-final year students of CSE department were upgraded with aptitude and Java training. Our final and pre-final year students of ECE and EEE department were upgraded with aptitude and embedded system trainings, seminars, workshops, in-plan training, and tours. The students are encouraged and made to appear for an online skill test implemented by AICTE to facilitate job and internship opportunities along with skill-based assessment through campus placement. Our civil engineering students attended a one-day seminar on flood management project Thomirabharani River Basin by Mr. M.R. Mohan, retired executive engineer from PWD on 6/10/2017. Our EEE and ECE students attended a seminar on embedded system design using PIC microcontroller and advanced VLSI design using PIC microcontroller and advanced VLSI design using Xilinx EDA tool on October 4/2017. Our CSE and IT students attended a workshop on computer network by Prakash Kingsley and Python programming by Alpha B Solutions from Tirunelveli on 10/10/2017. Mr. C. Sahaya Arul Raja, PCD engineer, LMW, Coimbatore, gave a guest lecture about advanced spinning technology to our fashion technology students on 18/8/2017. Mrs. Manju C. Tayamal, HOD of CSE from one of our neighboring institution delivered a guest lecture on wireless sensor network to our CSE and IT students on 7/4/2017. By the end of March, the final years were taken to Munnar and Wonderla trip, and second year and third year students were taken to Vagaman Wonderla trip from 19 to 2017 to 20 to, and 20 to 2017. Our students attended in-plant training in the companies like Unique Technologies Chennai, CKA Solution Nagarkoil, Space Designer Constructions Chennai, and at the Department of Highway Nagarkoil on flyover design and construction and so on during November 2017. Industrial visits, the students of various departments were taken to various industries to get first-hand knowledge about the machinery and latest technological innovations. CSE and IT students and staff went for an one-day industrial visit to Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. ECE department students and staff had a one-day visit to Keltron, Trivandrum. EEE students were taken to Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram and Thermal Power Plant, Thoothukudi. All of our final year students and staff had a visit to Bhuvanwari Cots, Spin India Private Limited, Bhuvanwari Fabric Dyeing and Processing Industry, Tirupur, Varshini Exports, Swami Cotton Mills, Tirupur, PNT Apparels and Netaji Textile Part, Tirupur. Civil engineering students and staff had a one-day visit to Vivo Chidambaranar Port Trust at Thoothukudi. Festivals. To celebrate fellowship, joy and technical knowledge, we celebrated Women's Day, Engineers Day, Technical Day, Onam, Christmas, Pongal celebrations and Cultural Day with dedication and commitment. Now the annual celebrations are going on. From this annual report, I must highlight the above achievements were brought together with our wonderful team working on the tracks of our visionary chairman. At this juncture, I thank our chairman Dr. S.A. Joyraja for the support he ever renders. I assure that this institution will be taken to the greater heights with your continuous encouragement. I express my gratitude to all my team members, teaching and non-teaching, for their ceaseless effort and dedication. I also take this opportunity to thank my dear students and their parents for their kind cooperation. I close this report by thanking God, our Almighty, for bestowing His blessings on us throughout the year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your report. Whenever chance scatters, he easily gathers. He's a great person who attracts great people, and he knows how to hold them together. His effective leadership is being liked, and it is defined by results. It is none other than our college chairman, Dr. S.A. Joyraja. We kindly request him to address the gathering.
The most respected, lovable chairperson of the Selvam Education Charitable Trust and my mom, Srimati Sophia Raja. My better half, the director of the Rajas International School, Gino Joy. The dean of Rajas Colleges, Professor Subramanian. The principal of the RIIT, Dr. V. Gopi. The heads of the departments, professors, parents, friends, and last but not the least, dear loving students, a very good evening to you all. First of all, I like to thank God Almighty for really looking at us from heaven with these showers of blessings. This is what blessings are all about. Do you know it's been 45 days that it rained in Nagarkoil? 45 days, and He gives His blessings like that on this day, and this is what God's presence I believe in. So you are special, dear children. I mean it. Well, this is what life is. We do not know what is ahead of us. Nobody can forecast. Even the weatherman, I watch weather forecast every day. Even this morning I checked the weather. There was no probability of rain. for today, tomorrow, or for the next 1 week. Believe me. But this is what happens. The blessings. So likewise in your life, this is the message I want to get it across through this incidents. Do your duties, take your role, and play it every day, because every day matters in our life. Do not worry about tomorrow. Do not worry where my future is going to be tomorrow. It will be taken care by our Lord Almighty. Only thing what you have to do is take care of your work that is to be done today. In life, just think in your mind and say, how much are you committed to the time given to you every day? For example, I came through your days as a college student, as a school student. There is the temptation that tells, oh, the exam is 2 more months to come, for the exams to come. We'll look at it at that time. Or the final project to be submitted. We have 1 more month. We have 2 more weeks. This is the attitude we tend to have. And what I can tell you in a very simple way is, do not lose every minute or every hour of your day, and try to see that. Utilize the time given to us by God to the fullest. Life is precious. Life has its way. You and I